Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll be cutting down this walnut countertop and giving it a little something extra at the end for your viewing pleasure. If you haven't noticed, I'm currently in a new workspace. We had an extremely busy last few months. My wife and I had a beautiful baby girl and we moved into this new house. For weeks after the move, my shop was discombobulated and piled up along the wall. It honestly felt like it was never going to be okay. I had so many aches and pains, it was almost debilitating. But I pushed through with hot showers, Epsom salt baths, and a lot of stretching. The fact that my shop had to be torn down, stored away, and reassembled left me with a huge gap in work. But when owning a business, that's the nature of the beast. A lot of things have changed since my first video. I've gone from enthusiast to professional rather quickly. I now use fancy tools and precision planning. Each project gets a 3D rendering using SketchUp and a cut list using Cut List Optimizer. Right here you are watching me use my beloved track saw with a Makita track and a Festool saw. I'm even sporting the 3D printed hangers on my garage door. Check out the shirt. A huge shout out to Real Lumber Service in Anaheim, California. They have a great selection of sheet goods and hardwood. Right here I'm just adding water to pop the grain for that last final sanding before adding a finish. And the finish I will be using is Danish oil, dark walnut. It is easily wiped on and applied and maintenanceable down the line if you need to sand it off or reapply. Thanks for watching.